What's good guys, this is Azim Wali and I'm back with another video. I hope you are all having a great day, and in today's video I'm going to give you a full workout on the push-pull leg series. So guys, first things first, what you need to know is push-pull legs में guys आपको 4 day split होगी. अब वो 4 day में मैं split कैसे करूँगा? It will be something like on the first day that will be your push day. वहाँ पर होगा chest, shoulders and triceps. Then on the second day that will be your pull day, that will be for your back and for your biceps. And then the last day that will be for your legs. And then the next day guys, we will keep it for abs and calves. So we will split the workout, we will split this 90-day workout like this, in this manner, and for that I will post a PDF link down below. So now the next thing that you need to keep in mind is there are going to be compound movements, and this program is going to be based around compound movements, because what compound movements does for you is that will help you build your base, your foundation. So guys, compound movements are really important. So there will be overhead shoulder presses, there will be deadlift, there will be bench press, and there will be bicep curl as well as squats. So these are going to be the compound movements that will be a part of this video and this PDF. This will be a fully 90-day workout plan that will be for every beginner out there who's struggling to get into the gym and work out. So this will be a whole plan for 90 days that you can just use. And the other thing that you guys need to keep in mind is I will be giving you drop sets as well as supersets as well. So if you see a recurring number in any of the sets, what you need to keep in mind is there is going to be either be a drop set or it will either be a superset. So one thing that you need to keep in mind is, for example, if I have given you a rep range of 10 drop 10 drop 10, what I mean by that is you need to drop by 5% your weight that you were previously using. You need to drop your weight by 5%. So for example, you did 10 reps on 60 kgs, then you need to drop it by 5%, then you will do another 10 reps, then you need to drop it by 5%, and then you will do another 10 reps. And the next thing, the supersets that I have given, for example guys, if I am doing my cable crossovers, then I'll probably jump into my lateral raises. So what these will do for you is that will help you create a good pump, and what pumps do for you is it will help you create more aesthetic physique, and it will also help you give an illusion that you are getting bigger, which also helps you motivate yourself mentally. With that being said guys, once again I have posted the PDF link in the description box below, so go and check it out. It will be a 90-day full workout plan. With that being said, I'm going to end today's video right here. If you actually enjoyed this video, show some love by liking this video, comment down in the comment section below if you have any further queries, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also press on the notification bell. Until next time, have a nice day. See you guys.